What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you one big mistake that a lot of us can easily make that will severely impact on Amazon FBA sales. At the end of the day, making any small mistakes in the very beginning of your product research, of speaking to suppliers, and of listing your product can really be detrimental to the bottom line. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you one mistake that I personally made very recently that has affected my ranking on my product for a very long time quite severely and resulted in me losing on sales for countless amounts of weeks, as well as something that my student has also done as well that has resulted him in ranking on the bottom of page 5 for a number of weeks, and we couldn't even tell what was going wrong. So in today's video, I'm going to share that with you to make sure that you have that in the back of your head when it comes to listing your very first product and making sure it is done the right way so you can have the best possible chance of landing on that first page and making sales from the very beginning. With that being said, guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you really want to take this seriously, please don't forget to check the links down below for my own personal mentorship, where I will help you with your product research, with your speaking to suppliers, and getting the very first product listed on Amazon correctly as quickly as possible. Otherwise, guys, if you're interested in selling on Amazon, but you're starting on a relatively low budget, which is absolutely fine, please don't forget to check the links down below for my own Helium product research tool that I used for the last couple of years, where you'll get 50% off. Awesome, the best e-commerce accountants for you out there, or Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your business and the bank account as soon as possible. With that being said, guys, let's get straight to highlight the importance of making sure you list your first product in the right category. Okay, this is really important because Amazon uses their categories to make sure they understand what your product is about, where exactly it fits on their website, and where they should focus on pushing your product onto the first page. Now, you may be thinking, guys, this is really simple. If I'm going to list a product like a water bottle, it's going to be in the water bottle category. If I'm going to choose a chopping board, it's going to be in the chopping board category. However, guys, not so fast. Let me explain. So, for today's example, I'm going to be using a simple product such as lights. Okay, now as you can see, if I type in lights, there are many different types of lights. There are strip lights, there are light bulbs, there are string lights, there are LED strips, there are ceiling lights, and so on and so forth. And what's important to me is, as you can see here, there are night lights, there are LED strips. These are each and every single different categories out there. There are string lights, there are LED strips, there are LED strips again, children's lighting, mood lighting, ceiling lighting, PA systems, and so on and so forth. And this is so important for you guys to know, because in order to make sure that you are listing your product on the right category, you really have to look at the niche itself and what categories out there and which one focuses and makes it and is the closest one to the product that you are selling. Okay, and this is really important, and I'll show you why. Because if I type in lights into the product category page, as you can see, there are 14 different matching categories out there for me to choose from. How the hell do I know which one to choose? For example, if I'm choosing a night light, if I'm going to sell something as night lights, which one do I go for? Do I go for the night lights, or do I go for indoor lighting, special decorative lighting, and night lights as well? This is really important for you to do the proper research, because whether you're going to be on the first page does depend on which category you're going to choose. Is it going to be in the home and garden category, or is it going to be in the lighting category? And this, guys, is really important, because what I personally have done myself is I chose a product and I chose the wrong category for it. Now, I've ran countless amounts of PPC, I've done the right SEO keyword research, I've done everything, and my product just simply refused to be moving up the first page of Amazon on any niche, on any keyword at all. Okay, and this was simply because it was being shown in by the wrong category, and the people that were being shown this product to were simply clicking off it, and therefore my click-through rate was horrible and my sell-through rate was horrible too, because no matter how much PPC you spend, if the product is in the wrong category, let's say if you are looking for a children's toy and you keep seeing this water bottle, you may click on it, but you're never going to buy it because this is not something that you're looking at. And because you're not going to buy it, Amazon's algorithm can clearly see this is a product that is not desirable desirable by the customers. Therefore, it's going to push that product down onto the 5th page, and it's going to be really, really difficult for you to recover from. However, guys, if you are selling a water bottle in the right category and you're selling a product that most customers are searching for, you have got a much better chance of the click-through rate and the sell-through rate as well. And the higher your sell-through rate, which depends on many factors such as the category you're in, the images that you've got, the title that you've got, and many others that I speak with my students in length, then it's going to push your product onto the 1st page, and therefore make sure that you make more and more sales as the time goes and as you get more and more reviews. So make sure, guys, if the product that you're listing is not as simple as a chopping board, a water bottle, or whatever, and can fit into multiple categories, make sure to do your product proper research and make sure you list it in the right category, because then you may end up like me, spending countless hundreds amounts of pounds on PPC that doesn't really do anything. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more very valuable content for you guys out there. Also, if you are interested in my mentorship when it comes to speaking to suppliers, getting your first product off the ground, please don't forget to check the links down below. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.